Understanding, like it or lump it, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, like it or lump it. This expression is a colorful way to tell someone that they must accept a situation or condition, even if they do not like it. It's a phrase that carries a lot of character and is quite common in everyday English conversations. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Like it or lump it is an idiomatic expression used to convey that someone has to accept a situation or condition, regardless of whether they are happy about it. The phrase suggests that there are no alternatives available, and the person must deal with the situation as it is. It's often used in contexts where the speaker has authority over the situation or when the circumstances cannot be changed. The exact origins of like it or lump it are a bit murky, but it's widely believed to have originated in the UK. The phrase has been in use for several centuries, with lump in this context meaning to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. Over time, it has become a common part of the English language, used by speakers all around the world to express a resigned acceptance of something unavoidable. This phrase can be used in a variety of situations, from light-hearted to more serious contexts. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. In a professional setting, the deadline is tomorrow, and we have to finish the project by then, like it or lump it. Among friends, I'm choosing the movie tonight, like it or lump it. In a family context, vegetables are part of dinner tonight, like it or lump it. When using this phrase, be mindful of the tone and context, as it can come across as harsh or unsympathetic in sensitive situations. While like it or lump it is a unique expression, there are several synonyms and alternatives you can use to convey a similar message, such as take it or leave it. This is a slightly softer alternative, suggesting a choice, albeit a limited one. Deal with it, a more modern and informal way to express the need to accept a situation. That's the way the cookie crumbles, a more light-hearted phrase implying that things don't always go as planned, and one must accept the outcome. Like it or lump it is a phrase that packs a punch, conveying the need to accept situations that may not be to our liking. It's a useful expression to understand and can add flavor to your English conversations. Remember, the key to using idiomatic expressions effectively is understanding their context and tone. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.